Alright guys, 2006 Honda Civic hybrid, IMA battery issue and hybrid battery replacement. We already got one right here. I'm gonna walk you through about the system. Okay, first thing first, disconnect the battery, the engine battery, and after that you need to remove the seat, the back seat. So there is two screws down there, number 10, and you push the tab up from here, and then you need to unbolt two more screws right here and the other side. Then you go to the trunk, take off all the carpets, everything. When you take everything off, it's gonna look like something like that. Like I said, that's the new battery, used battery. I got it from LKQ. What you gotta do, they disconnected here from the main harness. All you need to do is disconnect all bunch of connectors to remove this wiring harness out of the way. There is one more orange here, the main one goes through that hole. Take that one off. As you see here, we are doing it right now. See, take all of them out in order to be able to remove the battery. Then you have a like 12 millimeter here, over there, two more here, and four more over there. Then you gotta have your assistant help you to remove that battery. This thing is heavy. Oh, before doing that, don't forget to turn off the main breaker. That's the main fuse. You have to put it on the off, otherwise you're gonna be shocked. That's a high voltage battery, 110 volt. So make sure to take it off. Use the glove, the electric resistant glove, and whenever you're done, you make sure everything back together. Push that red button down and reconnect it back. So that was a quick guide for the hybrid battery replacement on 2007 Honda Civic. Hope you guys enjoy it, and shoot me a text message if you have any question. Thank you guys for watching again, and God bless.